Hi, I'm Olivur Khan from Dahua Technology. Today we're here at Morley College, North Kensington branch. Today we've delivered our 135-inch foldable LED, a P1.5 pixel pitch. It comes with a motorized trolley and a flight case. Morley College have taken delivery today to use in their 200-seater hall auditorium to be used in presentations, in events and open days. Behind me you can see the screen. It's got multiple inputs. You can connect wirelessly to the screen via AirPlay. Got a whole host of other features. Be speaking to Umai later on to find out a bit more.
At Morley College London, we are currently at North Kensington site. Morley College London has 4 centres located in Waterloo, Chelsea, North Kensington and Stockwell. We offer a wide range of courses for 16 to 18s and adults, that's including like short courses, creative courses, esports, access to higher education, etc. We are at the main hall today installing Dahua 135-inch foldable LED screen. We mainly use this hall for staff and students conference, internal events, external events. Also we use this space to interact with students. So it's good to have a foldable screen here. The advantage of this foldable screen is like easy to set it up and maintain it. So whenever we need it, we can take it out and just unfold the screen, ready to go. Whenever we don't need it, we can just fold it and store it away in a flight case which comes with the screen. This screen delivers the outstanding visual experience, the outstanding image quality. The high brightness level is remain visible even when the direct sunlight hits the screen. The image, the text stays really sharp and the clarity is so good. When we display an image, like media students display their work there, it gives that visual impact and we can feel the depth of that image, and it's also energy efficient. It aligns with our sustainability goals. Our media and esports students will benefit a lot from this screen. The quality visual experience and the clarity will help them to showcase their work and identify any mistakes they made, and they can correct themselves. It also gives them like a mini cinematic experience for them when they're projecting their own work. Another feature that I like on the screen is students can directly AirPlay their work from their own laptop directly to the screen. It saves a lot of time. There's a group presentation.